Hello.
Yeah, Teddy just wanted to be on the vlog.
Yeah.
Good job, Teddy. What's the name of this market?
Chatuchak.
Okay, so we're at this market, the biggest market in Asia, the world. I don't know. I'm not buying anything because I'm cheap, but let's check it out, see what we see. That was not a good negotiating at all.
I hate it. Next time you need to do it for me.
Okay. It's gigantic. Stuff everywhere. Clothes, people, food, stuff, people, more food and people and stuff. Look, people back there, people back there. People everywhere. This place is huge. I'm looking for a map so I can show you how huge it is. I can't show you how huge it is, but I can, yeah, we can find a map.
Hi everyone. Yeah, this is my shop. So actually, I did like a very handmade and very unique design from brass, some white brass and some the copper one. Yeah, if you came to Thailand, could you please come and visit us in Chatuchak Weekend Market. Yeah, bye guys.
Rihanna's getting better at bargaining. When you're in Thailand, you just gotta get coconuts. It's just like the national drink, and it's so good for you. One really nice thing about the market is that the vendors are willing to bargain, but they're not aggressive when you're walking by. They're like, hey, come buy my stuff. They're like, you know, trying to pull you into their stores. They're just, hey, we come in, we'll be friendly and nice, but if not, okay, go ahead, have a good day. All right, so we just finished the Chatuchak Market, something like that. Yeah, the weekend market. So Joanna, this is your second time here. How'd you like it?
I liked it a lot. I got all my Christmas presents myself. Unfortunately, I also got some stuff for myself, which I didn't really need, but also they're nice, so it's okay.
Now she's a master bargainer.
I saved 25 baht, I think, with my own bargaining. No, 35. I also got this.
Lunchtime. I so needed this. Alright, that massage just changed my life. The lady, she put her, I had the big girl, and she put her weight on it, and man.
Probably that's why you got there, because you have like your mass, you have a lot of mass.
Yeah, she was like, you must walk a lot. She was just throwing her weight into it, and yeah, but it was, I feel like $1 million now, or $1 million baht. To see some Muay Thai. Your first Muay Thai experience.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I am.
Are you planning to do any fighting?
No.
No, okay. Next time maybe. All right. You guys ready for some Muay Thai? All right. I feel the energy just from you, actually. Everybody else giving me nothing. You guys ready for some Muay Thai? Ready? No? Okay. I'll pay you for your. You guys ready?
Hey, of course.
Yeah. Let's do it. All right. Muay Thai. Look, this guy. He's already ready. Andrew's got his shirt off. He's ready to fight. Tilly, what's up, man?
Whoa, walk on, Tim. I'm pumped. You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it. My Muay Thai career started and ended today in this one very location. I got second. I didn't lose. I got second. Yes. My Muay Thai career started and ended today. And after watching these fights, yeah, I'm glad it ended today because I don't want to end up like that guy. So the music has stopped. People are not leaving. The police are here. I hear that everybody's going to the clubs for a few hours till the police leave. When they come back to these bars where the music replays. I don't know. I haven't been out that late. I'm not that much of a late person, but tonight we might try.